Hi.
Hi. What are we doing today?
We are going to London for a movie premiere.
It's kind of like a premiere. Is it a premiere?
I don't know if I would say it's more of a screening, I think.
Yeah, like a first screening. But it's got Bella Thorne in it.
It's called Midnight Summers.
Yeah. Midnight Sun.
I think it's actually going to be quite good.
I think it'll be good. It's going to be like a teen film, isn't it?
Yeah, up our Strasser for sure.
Definitely up our Strasser.
But before, we're actually going to go to do some shopping.
Of course.
And I think we're going to have like some food perhaps.
Yeah.
Maybe like a really pretty place so we can get some good Instagram.
Yeah, definitely.
We're definitely going to get some Instagram.
100%. I love our outfits today, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
However, we're not going to show you because we're actually in the process of a lookbook. So
because we're getting on like Easter half term.
Yeah.
I feel like I could cry of happiness.
It's like 4 days,
Yeah.
3.5 days away.
Yeah, and we're going to be in London a lot for our Easter half term doing events. So
we need outfits, and we thought we might as well do a little compilation
of a
all these
lookbook.
outfits.
So we're not going to show you, but
you're going to see. Yeah, just stay tuned for that.
Let's fill that down.
Say cheese. You guys are cool. I'm loving it. Love it. We're in Forever 21. Who knows where Grace is? No one knows. Ooh. Shady.
Knock someone out, haven't you?
So we've just sat down to eat. Very fancy. Yeah, look. It's literally my favourite place in London. It's so pretty. It's called Cafe Concerto. They have all cakes and stuff. But yeah, I think I'm gonna get pasta. What are you thinking?
pasta. So we just had a little bit of a photo shoot in here. Hopefully you guys don't mind that if you were. We've got pasta. That's nice. We also got bruschetta.
Oh my god, guys, it smells unreal. So we've got pomodoro.
Yes, please.
So we've got like pomodoro, and we've got bruschetta, seafood pasta, fish cakes. So we're now in Zara, which is one of Grace's favourite places. No, it is my favourite place. Safe. What, in the whole world? Yeah, Zara. No, actually Disneyland's my favourite place. Okay, but that's why I said one. So I thought I would vlog 4 because I know Grace will get very distracted. Yeah. How do we feel about these sparkly boots? I know they're a bit crazy, but they remind me of, I don't know what they remind me of. They're cool, but I just feel like you won't wear them. There's some crazy clothes in Zara. I'm just going to pick up a few bits that I see that I like, and I won't buy them all. Because it is quite a big dealio. I like that bag. Oh yeah, I can see that. That's cute. Yeah, so I'm just going to vlog when we're walking back. Yeah. See? She just finds a lot of stuff that she likes. This is why I have to vlog, because Grace will just not get things done. Guys, I'm trying to look for like a woven bag. Not like that though, not gonna lie. Like a square woven bag. Grace is looking at blazers. The mummies are over here. Oh, I like these pants. Head to toe. Okay, let's stop being embarrassed. Oh, the squad. Ayy. Squad, la la la. That's cute. How wrinkled this top is. So ugly. Is it meant to be wrinkled? Yes, that's the look. They've gone for like the wrinkly look. My mum would just be like, iron it, Grace. That can't be a dress. No. Beef is happening. Beef is happening. Can't be a dress. Okay, I've got like this playsuit thing to try on. But how cute is that? On to the next floor we go. Okay, I've picked up a pair of shoes I really like. Grace also picked up a bag. You just shouldn't take us into Zara. Guys, this is getting out of control. Guys, update, out of control. Grace is on the move. We just tried to go in the kids' fitting rooms and we were not allowed. But we have a lot of stuff to try on. Right, so we're here, we have arrived, and I think the film starts in like 20 minutes. Yeah, but there's like so, maybe pre-drinks. Oh look, is it pre-drinks? Midnight. Oh, there we are. Say hi. Okay, it's really cute. photos, but we're gonna get some drinks. I'm quite thirsty actually, and there's some cake pops as well. So yeah, we're always like really awkward in these kind of situations. We're just quite antisocial. So yeah. Right, that's what we said. Just get a drink, though. Right, okay. How's your drink? So we're here. We've got our popcorn, goodie bags.
My chewing gum.
Yum. Dinner. So guys, we just got out of the film. Oh, I look crusty. We just got out of the film, and we're here. Mumjas. She's speaking to you right now. We're outside. We're not outside. We're not outside. Let's just go to the hotel then. Oh, I see them. I see them. It was actually a really good film. Guys, it was really sad though. It was like a what's that film called, Grace? Come on. It's like A Fault in Our Stars.
So guys, we actually forgot to end this vlog, so I'm just going to end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed. And this is really weird doing it with Grace not here. But yeah, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.